business is an LLC. An LLC. You might be thinking to yourself, well, you know what, Carla? Business costs a lot of money to start. That is the reason why I want to give you 8 steps that you can literally do for free to get you going on your entrepreneur journey, because who doesn't want to start their own business? So the very first thing that you have to do is you have to decide what state that you are going to put your business in. Now, this is really, really important. Why do I say that? Because this starts the journey. Your state that you live in really should be the state that you start your business in. And you may be saying to yourself, Carla, why are you saying that? I hear about all these other states like Delaware and these non-taxable states. Nope, don't do it. You're going to form that business in your state because that is what your government expects. Now, if you own property somewhere else, that's a completely different story. But we want to, number one, set it up in the state that you're in. The second thing that you want to do is you want to because you don't want anybody else to choose your business name or have your business name. That's why it's important to know that you can actually reserve that business name for up to 3 months. That's correct. You can reserve your business name for up to 3 months. So that is step 3, is reserve that business name, so no one else gets your bright idea. You will thank me for that later. Step 4 is you need to select a registered agent. And you may say, Carla, what's a registered agent? A registered agent is the person that is going to get served papers. They're in charge of all the legal processes of the business. So for example, if someone wanted to send your business a legal document, they would serve it on your registered agent. And that's important to have a registered agent. I don't recommend that the registered agent is you, because you don't want people coming to you as an individual to serve you notices regarding your business. So it's really important to get yourself a registered agent. The 5th thing that you need to do is you need to go to your Secretary of State and get the form to actually fill out for the articles of organization. And when you get the correct form for your state, the 6th thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna fill it out correctly. And yes, I said correctly. Here's the thing that you gotta be thinking about. You gotta think about who is going to be in this LLC with you. Is it just you, where you're gonna be a sole member, or are you gonna have other people inside of your LLC? That's really, really important. Once you get that figured out, you're gonna jump to step number 7, and you're going to file those articles with your Secretary of State. Now, filing those articles, I'm telling you, this is like having a baby. Once the Secretary of State puts that stamp on there, guess what? You now have a business, and it is yours. You have become so official with that business. That's really important, is to get those stamped articles of organization and keep a copy for yourself. The 8th thing that you need to do is you need to fill out and create an operating agreement. And an operating agreement is a really important document because it talks about what your business is going to be doing. It gives the bylaws, all the rules, and it's referred to often amongst members in legal scenarios. Even if IRS knocks on your door, they're gonna wanna see your operating agreement. So you now know the 8 things that you need to do to start your business. We said you have to choose the state. We said you have to choose the name. We said you had to reserve the name. We said you have to choose a registered agent. You have to get the form to fill out for your Secretary of State for the articles of organization. You need to fill it out properly. You need to file it, and you need to create your operating agreement. And guess what? Now that you know better, you got to do better. You can no longer say you can't start your business because it's going to cost you money when I just gave you the 8 steps to do it for free. And now that you know, I want you to also like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep you educated on all things tax. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. I also want to introduce you to a program that I have called TaxPro Grow. Why? Because you may be looking for a side hustle, you may be looking for a business to run, you may be looking for some extra cash, or you just might be concerned about this whole recession thing, or somebody giving you a pink slip. Well, TaxPro Grow could potentially be your answer because it's a business that you can do where no one is in charge but you. And here's the great thing about TaxPro Grow. You don't need to have a tax license. You don't need to have tax knowledge. You don't need to have a degree. You don't need anything but a willingness to learn. And I break down all the steps through my system and process. I literally take my 25 years of experience, all the mistakes I made, all the lessons I've learned, and I packaged it up in a system and process that is foolproof, that you will be able to utilize and start making money. I literally guarantee it. I am going to invite you to join me on this journey of TaxPro Grow because I want you to start making an endless amount of money, and I want you to be in control of your destiny. If you are interested in starting now, I want you to click on the link, and when you do, you're gonna learn everything that you need to know. You're gonna learn how to offer the service, you're gonna learn how to sell a client, you're gonna learn how to do marketing, and here's the other great thing, you will even get leads because we offer that too. People that are willing to pay you for the service that you're going to easily be able to offer because the value is going to be there. So if you need some extra cash, you want to make an endless amount of money, or you just thinking, maybe you just want to do something different, click on that link and join me for the TaxPro Grow program. I guarantee you, you'll be thanking me for doing so.